Greetings. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to update your data retention settings in ChatGPT to ensure that all your conversations are not being stored by ChatGPT longer than 30 days. I know that there's a lot of concern around privacy related to the information that's entered into ChatGPT. So I just want to show you how that you can alleviate a lot of those concerns by ensuring that you're taking the proper steps to protect any information that you enter into ChatGPT. Also, I want to highly encourage you not to enter sensitive information into ChatGPT. If we go to ChatGPT, you see I have ChatGPT Plus, but the process for changing your data retention settings should be the same for the free version as well. So if you look over here, these are the conversations that I've previously had with ChatGPT. So I've chose to save these conversations. So it's broken down by previous 30 days, previous 7 days, or the most recent. Click on your account. You have the option to clear all of your conversations at once, which that is a convenient feature. Before OpenAI made these updates to their data retention policy, you would have to go through each conversation and delete it. But now I can clear all the conversations at once, which is really convenient. But I'm going to go to settings. And then under settings, you'll see under data controls, we have the option to turn off my chat history and training. So when this is turned on, when the toggle is on, it's green, then I'm giving OpenAI permission to save my new chats to the history and allow them to be used to improve ChatGPT via model training. Any unsaved chats will be deleted from the OpenAI systems within 30 days. So if we want to learn more, this will take us to ChatGPT data control frequently asked questions, so you can learn more about that process. So now I have it toggled on, so I'm saving my conversations, which at the same time I'm giving ChatGPT a permission to use any information that I input into ChatGPT for training to improve the ChatGPT model. So since I'm not inputting any sensitive information, I'm fine with that setting. However, if you're not fine with that, if you want your data not retained for longer than 30 days, then you would turn that off. And then once I turn it off, if I go back, you'll see that I no longer have access to my chat history. So that means within 30 days, all of that chat history, that data that I inputted into ChatGPT will be removed from OpenAI systems. So it'll be deleted. So that's really going to be the most conservative approach to protecting the sensitivity of any data that you input into ChatGPT. But also from here, you can see if I change my mind, I would have the option to enable chat history. Now I have access again to my previous conversations. Each one of these represents a conversation that I previously had with ChatGPT. If we go back into settings, we can have an option to export all of our data. So you can export it, any data that you've inputted to ChatGPT. If you want it for your records, you can export it. Then at that point, you can delete all your conversations because now you have the data saved to your systems. Or you can then option delete your account, and then option also to enable two-factor authentication. We know that OpenAI was in the news recently because Italy banned the use of ChatGPT in the entire country due to privacy concerns and how OpenAI privacy policy complies with GDPR, the privacy regulation for the European Union. So ChatGPT made a lot of updates to their privacy policy, data retention policy, giving users more control over what happens with the information they input into ChatGPT. So these are all new features that was a result of the outrage that a lot of European countries, and specifically Italy, expressed around ChatGPT's privacy settings. So there you have it. I just wanted to quickly show you how to adjust your data controls in ChatGPT. So hope you got some value from this video. If you have any comments or feedback, certainly share them. I'll be happy to hear from you.